Hi loves, welcome back to our channel. This is Jerry, and for today's video I'm going to be sharing this cute haul with you guys. Everything that you see here is from the website called JapanYouWant, and I'll link that in the description. I got some cute Nintendo accessories as well as a few Kawaii, Rilakkuma and Sanrio stuff. So let's get right into it. Okay, so like I said earlier, everything is from the website JapanYouWant.com, and I'll link that in the description. So I'm going to start with this one right here, and it's this really cute plush from the Rilakkuma with Chiro Koguma-chan series, where they're like little angels, and it has these cute little fluffy angel wings in the back. It's really soft, and it has these like cute little details in it, and her button, instead of being red, it's like this pink color, and I think it's really detailed and so soft and so pretty, so I'm glad I got this one. And her tag is really cute too, it has a really cute image on it. So yeah, I'm really happy about this one. They have a keychain size one too, I believe, so I'll link that for you guys below. And then the next thing I want to show you are these really cute like hand towel sets. And they make these a lot, like in every different Rilakkuma series that comes out. They'll usually come out with a little 3-pack like this of towels. And I think they're just so cute and useful to have in your purse for, you know, whatever reason you would need a little towel like this, or you can keep them in your bathroom to like dry your face and stuff. And this one has a little cute design of Rilakkuma with ice creams and Koguma-chan. And it has his name, yeah, it says Rilakkuma and Chiro Koguma. And then we have an Easter, really cute pink design. And then another Easter design with yellow, where they're like sitting in the cute Easter eggs. And yeah, I find these really useful and I really like them. And so that I got 2 packs. They have a few different designs on the website, so you can check that out. But I liked these 2 packs the most. And this one's just really basic. It's Rilakkuma, Rilakkuma, and then the third one is Kawaii. So I think that's really cute, just the basic designs. So I grabbed these 2. The next thing I want to show you, actually I'm going to take it, are these 2 drawstring bags, but I'm going to take them out of the plastic first and I'll be right back. Alright, so the next items that I want to show are these 2 drawstring bags, and they had a few different designs on their website, and these are just the 2 that I liked the most. And if you've seen my other haul videos, you know that I like to get these for a lot of different reasons. Like one of the main reasons that I use these for are for like putting my makeup and stuff when I'm gonna go out, and I don't want like the inside lining of my purse to get dirty with my makeup. I'll put all my makeup in here, and that way if this gets dirty I can just throw it in the washer and it won't ruin my purse or my backpack or whatever I have in there. They're also really good for traveling, so you can put like lotions and makeup and nail stuff and things like that into different little baggies, and they're really good for traveling. So I grabbed this one that I thought was so cute. It's Rilakkuma and Rilakkuma, and it says Rilakkuma Happy Days with Rilakkuma. This is a cute little tag, and it has blue drawstrings, which I thought that was really cute. And yeah, I'm really happy with that one. And then the second one I got is from the Pajama Party series, and this is the same website where I got all of the Pajama Party Switch and Switch Lite accessories, if you saw that video. So they still have those Switch accessories, and they have this cute little bag that I didn't see the first time, so I'm glad I got this time because it matches it. And I feel like if you're going to be traveling and you want everything to match, you can put your Switch charger cable and different little accessories in here, and then put it in the same bag with your other Rilakkuma Pajama Party accessories. So that was really cute. I had to get this one too. The next item I want to show you guys are these really cute stickers, and these are also from the Rilakkuma with Koguma-chan series, where they're like little baby angels, and they're so holographic and cute, and they're so tiny. I thought these were adorable, so I had to grab an extra sheet. I have a few of these already, but I mostly use them in my shop. So in the I make these cute resin items and stuff with these stickers. If you haven't seen, you can check out my Instagram, but I wanted to get one sheet from here for myself, so I grabbed this one. There's also a second sheet that's a little different, so you can check that out. And I also grabbed the large memo pad from the same series, And it's really cute. It has this like iridescent effect at the top, and it has these cute images, and inside it has 4 different large memo sheets. This one is so cute. They have like little star hats on. It's just so adorable. And then the next one is them like in the sky, looking like cute little baby angels. And then we have this one, another like sky one, but this looks more like a daytime one. And I think we missed, oh, this one. This one's really beautiful. So yeah, I'm really happy about this large memo pad. And then from the same series, I went and I got this really beautiful notebook. And if you look closely, you can see that it's like pearlescent and glittery, which I thought was really beautiful. It's like that on both sides. The little clouds are just so pretty, and when you open it, it's got these really beautiful pink lined sheets with little Rilakkuma and Koguma-chan images at the bottom. And I thought this was just so beautiful, so I'm really happy with this too. Next item I want to show you is another Rilakkuma item. It's this pack right here. And these are actually a pack of bandaids, which I think is really cute. And I have kind of a little collection going of different Rilakkuma bandaids. So I thought these were super cute. And I thought they would be really nice in my twin sister's diaper bag because she has a 1-year-old son. And he likes like little Rilakkuma stuff, so I thought these would be so cute on him. I mean, I obviously would hope he never has to use them, but I thought they'd be cute in his diaper bag. The next item I want to show is this cute little bobblehead My Melody pen. It's got this really beautiful image of her right here holding her pink rabbit bunny, and I think it's so cute, and I like the little bobblehead. And it's just a ballpoint pen, but I thought this was really beautiful. So this is the One My Melody thing that I did grab on their website. They have a lot of Rilakkuma and Sanrio things, but if you're familiar with how things release in Japan, they release new items every like couple of weeks, so they won't always have the same stock. So they do sell out, but the website is always getting new stock of Rilakkuma things and Sanrio things. So some of these things might not be available today, but they'll have new items available. So you always want to be checking back. All right, the next item I'm going to show you guys is another Rilakkuma item, and it's this really cute chest. And I had seen it online and I was really interested in getting it. I saw it on Amazon Japan, but then like I said, I kind of check up on this website quite often just to see their new stuff. And I saw that they got this in, and I saw I had to place a new order. So this is really the reason why I placed the order, was because I really wanted this thing. And it's super cute, so I'm going to open it up and show it to you guys. Alright, so here it is. It's this really beautiful little drawer chest set, and it has Rilakkuma, Kiritori, and Rilakkuma on it, and these cute little cherries, and it says Happy Life with Rilakkuma. And then at the top it opens up here, and it has this cute little compartment section to put small items, and then you can fit quite a bit in these little drawers too. There you go. Mine wasn't closing very well at first, but if you just press it in, then you'll see it closes more flush. So I'm like so super happy and excited that I got this one. Alright, the next item that I'm going to show is the last Rilakkuma item before we move on to the Switch accessories. So this one is a Rilakkuma backpack, and she's pretty big, like bigger than I thought she was going to be. She barely even fits in the camera. And I think she's really, really adorable and cute. She has very bright pink feet and bright pink ears. And then these are the pink straps in the back. They're really pretty. And right here is the compartment where you would put your, store your belongings. And it's pretty deep actually. So you can fit quite a few things in there. And then right here, it has a cute little Rilakkuma tag. And then right here, it kind of shows you a picture on ways that you can use it. So you can use it like this as a purse. You can use it this way where you kind of tie it onto your luggage. And then in the back, they're showing how you can put in your luggage, and in the back, you can hold small important things like your phone and your passport that you're going to be pulling out a lot. And I'm going on a trip soon, so I think I might use it that way. I think it would be super cute. Alright, so that's all for the Rilakkuma and San X items. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the really cute Switch accessories because I'm honestly super excited about these. So, the first of the things that I want to show you is this. I'm so like excited about it. I think it's so cute. I don't know if I'm just being a nerd or something, but I think this is adorable. And it's a Switch game card case, and it holds 2 games in it. And it's pink, and it has Kirby's little face. And it says Kirby in the back, and right here the image shows you how to use it. So you can fit 2 3DS games or 2 Switch games, which is like so cool. And then right here in this little section here, you can tie on like a wrist strap or a cell phone strap, and then like attach it to your DS or to your Switch, which I think is so cute. I'm gonna have to show you guys how to do that. And then the next item I got is another Kirby item, and they have so many like really cute, adorable Kirby items, and I only grabbed a few, but they have so many. If you like Kirby and you have a Switch or a DS, you should really check out their store. So this is one of the cases that I got. Like I said, they had a lot of Kirby cases, but I really liked this one. I think it's so cute. It's like a lot different than any case I've ever had. It's a 2-part, but like you snap it on like this, and then this part protects the screen, and you flip it open when you want to play on it. And I thought that was so cool. It's for the Switch Lite, of course. Here's more like instructions on how to use it. And I think that's so cool. So I'm really excited about this one. I'm hoping to do a Switch customization video where I customize my Switch Lite to be like a Kirby Switch. And I'm going to be using some of these items, so I'll show you guys how to use this in that video. Next item I want to show you is another Kirby item. This is I took the clear packaging off already just to make it easier. And this is a keychain, and it's so cute. It has a little star wand, and it has a Kirby, and it looks like a sugar cookie to me, which I thought was so cute. So in my customizing video, I'm going to show you how to take this apart and put it on a strap so that you can use it on your Switch. And I think it's really cool that the little star charm comes with a little lobster clasp, so you can like take it on and off really easily and attach it to other things. It's just like a sweet little cookie, makes you want to take a bite. I love this. The next item is, you guessed it, another Kirby item. And this one is a Switch Lite pouch. And I've showed you guys these pouches a couple of other times before. I think with the Rilakkuma Pajama Party series, and I've shown you the just all baby pink version. And they're all from Keys Factory, these pouches. So this is going to be just like the other pouches, which I've shown you guys. I really love these because it's really easy to just store your Switch Lite in them if you're walking around your house or you're not going too far and you just want to protect the screen and protect the case from scratching or getting dirty. This is a really nice pouch to keep with you. So I'm going to go ahead and open it so I can show you guys more. Okay, I can't really figure out how to open it, so I think I'm just going to leave it so that I'll show it to you guys in more detail in the customizing video. But here's basically what the print looks like on the outside. It's really, really adorable. I'm excited about it. So I'll show you guys how the Switch Lite fits in the next video. Alright, and the very last item that I want to share with you guys is this really, really cute mini controller. And I've shown you guys different controllers on this channel. I think I've shown you guys a kitty controller, and I've shown you guys this Switch Pro controller. So I'm excited to be showing you guys a new controller. So this one was on the JapanYouWant site, and this one comes in 4 different color schemes. It comes in pink with white buttons like this. Also comes in white with pink buttons, blue with white buttons, and white with blue buttons. I thought they were all beautiful, and it was so hard for me to pick, but I ended up going with the pink with the white. So I'm really excited about this one. I'm going to open it in a different video and I'll test it out and connect it for you guys and show you all the details about it and compare it to my other controllers. And we'll go over all of that in a different video if you guys like. But let me know in the comments below, and if you guys really want it, then I'll make the video. Alright, that's all for today's video. Let us know below what your favorite items were. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. See you in the next one, Kitty and Jerry.